babies, it's your girl Dr. Chanel back with another video, and today I have your favorite type of video. Today we are packing orders with me. You know, I love these type of videos, but so today's video is going to be a little different compared to the other ones. We are going to actually be packing our clothing and our nail supplies, so we got to make sure of both. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the little ding ding bell so you can know when I upload. And let's get right into the video. So first off, I'm going to take a Clorox wipey and just wipe everything down. I already washed my hands. I don't like wearing gloves when I package orders. It just sticks to everything, like the stickers and all that. So I just rather wash my hands and just sanitize my entire station. Okay, so Jessica ordered our crop top, which is so pretty. This gives me like brunch vibes. She ordered a small, and this is our logo. So right now the clothes is 50% off, and it's super high quality, not, you know, not that cheap material, you know, Tati always does it good. So this is our first crop top, and I'll put the names of the clothing like right here. So she ordered this one, and it's like a nice distressed gray color, super stretchy. And then we have some nice like little puffy arms, not that big, but you know, still puffy, but they're so cute. So let's go ahead and package her order. Okay, so we have our black tissue paper here, and I got this from Amazon, and this is like the bulk tissue paper. So I literally just place it here, and then that's when I start like putting the clothes together. So this one we are gonna tuck. So like with the clothes, you know, it has to be a little bit like more on the cuter side. So since this is a crop top, and we're gonna put the tag on here. Pretty. So then the other item she got was our crop top, another one. This one is my favorite, y'all. Look at how cute this one is. It has like rhinestones on the little bobby pins, and it's like a halter top, and it's backless, but look at how pretty. So I got a lot of questions, and yes, this one does go to the side, so it's not like a straight cut, it's actually to the side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it. So this one does not have our tag, so I'm about to go put it. So I just got a few tags just in case, you know, some of the clothing does not have the tag. Then we're gonna do it right here, loop it here. Go. I love my tags so much. Put it through here, and then we loop it from the bottom again. Perfect. So here we go, and then I'm just gonna put this in the back. Okay, that's number 2, and the last little top she got is one of our best sellers, and it is the Louis Vuitton mesh shirt. So it looks like this. It's long sleeve, but it is see-through, so like you wear it with a cute bra, and it is perfect. I like to tie it up like, you know, in a knot, so it could be like a little crop top, and it looks so cute. And you guys can go to my website and see how the models look, so you could kind of get an idea of how they look. And the material is not itchy at all. So make sure that, you know, you always put your tags on there so they could see it. So now I'm just gonna fold this up. Okay. So we're gonna fold it like a taquito. I'm gonna stick this on. So I'm taking one of my stickers, and we're gonna stick it on right there. So get it super tight this way. Just make sure you don't rip it. Tight. Secure. Oh, look how pretty! So you see now it's kind of tight. And now what I like to do is tuck in these ends in the clothes. So here we go. We have our nice little package. So now we're going to put it in a poly mailer and seal it up. So the poly mailers, I get them from Amazon as well. So I'm gonna put everything like this. Oh, look at it. It's such a perfect fit. So we peel this off. No. Guys, so you have to be very careful because these things are super sticky. So I'm gonna just put it as tight as I can. And that's as tight as I can, so you know the clothes won't be moving around. So I like to put the shipping label right here in the front, and then I like to put another sticker so they know that it has not been opened and it's a fresh seal. So right there. So this is how you would receive your package. Okay, let's go to the next order. Alright, babies, so the next girl I have is Delilah from New York. So baby girl got, oh yeah, I love this set. This is another one of our most popular items. She got this set, and it's like a blue and like a nice, different shades of blue and then like a cream color. And this is a set. It's like a crop top jacket with the leggings. It's so comfortable, high quality. The zipper looks good, high quality as well. And she got it in a XXL. So this already comes like, you know, a little bit more packaged. So we're gonna go ahead and just put our sticker. I like to put it like here just so that you know. So a sticker there. And this one we're not gonna put in tissue paper since it's like more on the bigger side. So we're gonna take a poly mailer, put it in here. Shout out to Delilah. So this set also comes in two other colors. This blue one and like this mauve peach color. So look, perfect. Again, we're gonna take the aluminum off. And then seal it. I like to take out all the air so it could be like more flat and more like, you know, nice. Again, we're going to take another sticker and we're going to put it right in the middle. So this just tells her that nobody has opened it and it's only for her. Alright, babies, the next girl I have here is Cassie from Indiana. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your order, baby. So here we go. She got the romper, which is a very cute romper. It's super athletic and super soft, stretchy. I love this one. I love this look with like some Air Forces or something like that. Any sneaker will do really pretty with this romper. So okay, we're gonna now wrap it. And I'm gonna flip it so she can, there we go. And we're gonna put it in our smallest bubble mailer. Put it in here. Same routine, take this off. And then again, to make sure you're the only one who has opened this package, put our Pretty Girl Clothing logo right here. So yeah, that's it for all the clothing ones. Now we're gonna get into the nail supplies. So if you're interested in our clothing brand, please go support a small business. Yes, I am the owner. Yes, I'm the one who works all this clothing brand. That is me. So please go show support at Pretty Girl Clothing with the double G at the end.com. And thank you for your support, baby. So let's get into the nails now. Alright, baby, so the next order we have is from Indiana. And then she ordered Big Drippin', which is our brand new color, which you should order because it's bomb.com. And then in 20 grams. And then she ordered Blizzard. But she did message me. I usually don't do this, but she is one of my big supporters. So she did message me, and I'm going to go ahead and change it for her. She wants this other color, which I believe is Slow Jams. Yeah. So she wanted Slow Jams. Yeah, there we go. So she did want Slow Jams, so I'm going to go ahead and change it for her. So here we go. We have Slow Jams. And this is part of our nude collection. And then she wants Big Drippin'. So that one I literally ran out, so I have to go package it right now. So I'm gonna show you on camera. I'm taking one of my labels. So this one's Big Drippin'. And then take it. And then we're gonna put it in our container, which is a 20 grams. There we go. And then let's fill it up. So I'm just gonna give it a mix, just, you know, make sure everything is incorporated. So here we go. Guys, and I don't fill it up with gloves because it just makes the biggest mess. And I hate it. My hands are clean. So there we go. We fill it up all the way to the top. And now we're going to brush it off. And it's ready. There we go. Big Drippin' is ready. Okay, so now I just make sure we have everything she wanted. Big Drippin' and Slow Jams. Okay, now we're going to put it in a little organza bag, in a white one. You can find these on Amazon as well. Go ahead and close it. There we go. And then now I'm going to fold up her packing slip. There we go. Put it in here nicely. Take out this little, oh, there we go. And seal it. So this one, it is ready. So the next baby I have is Ashley from Texas. Thank you so much, baby, for your order. So we have a Pineapple Delight, which is our cuticle oil, round 2, Sniff White in 20 grams, Pixie Crystals, Arcadia Snail Glue, and foils. So let's go ahead and package your order. So we're going to start off with the foils. It comes in 3 silver, rose gold, and gold. Then we have 1 nail glue, which is the best nail glue. If you guys are looking for a good nail glue, I recommend KDS Nail Glue is the best nail glue. Next, we have our high quality Pixie Crystals, my favorite. These are the Pixie Crystals. They come in this little bag. These are super, super high quality and they shine perfect, y'all. This is the best quality ever. So if you're looking for Pixie Crystals, I have them on my website and you get a good amount for a good price. Next, we have our Sniff White in 20 grams. I need to put a label on here. So Sniff White, put it right there. There we go. We have Sniff White in 20 grams. Then we have round 2, which is like a pink nude from our nude collection. And then we have Pineapple Delight, which is our cuticle oil. Super, super hydrating. After every set, put this and you'll notice a difference on your client's cuticles. It's super nourishing and has tons of vitamin E. This one in different scents. I have Pineapple Delight, Rose, and that Rose is all natural. And then we have Mint as well. Okay, so this is all her order. So we're going to go ahead and put it in an organza bag. We start off with the acrylics just so you know we can have like a little base. We are going to bubble wrap this since this is glass. So I'm just going to put the rest in here. And then we're going to wrap this one in bubble wrap. And we are going to roll it. So remember the bubbly side is always inside. So that is nice and wrapped. Make sure it does not break. And we're going to seal it with a big strip of tape. So there we go. Now it's nice and protected. And then we put it in here. And her thing is ready to go. So here we go. This is Miss Ashley's order. Yes, ma'am. So let's check everything out. So we have the pineapple. Right there we have round 2, Sniff White in 20 grams, Pixie Crystals, and then our little thank you. Yay! So right now we're going to give her a pink poly mailer and stick on her shipping label. There we go. And then the poly mailers also have bubble wrap in here. So don't worry about like anything breaking. Everything is really nice and secure. So now we're gonna close the packing slip in there and then put it in here. So there we go. We're gonna stick this in here and it is ready to ship out. And then we're gonna give her a little sticker that just says the Chanel Acrylic Collection. There we go. Alright, baby, so the next baby I have is Yvette from Arizona. She got Bust Down Pink with Glitter, everybody's favorite, which is actually Bust Down Pink is our best seller on our website. It's just so beautiful. So 20 grams and 20. So here we go. We're going to get it. We have our two here. We have Oshi Peachy with Glitter. That's what she ordered. And then Bust Down Pink with Glitter. 1 and 2. Perfect. Again, we're going to tell her thank you because I am super blessed for each and every one of you. So thank you, babe. And now we're going to put it in, and actually we're going to put it in a smaller bubble mailer. So if you have a business, I would recommend get different sizes just so you won't waste money on like big ones and then say you have like small products, right? You have to work smart. Okay, and we're gonna put it in here. I like to put them straight in just so it won't be like too bulky. Make sure you stick in the little things. And this one I have to like fold it really nice and small. So there we go. As soon as she opens it, she could see what she ordered. We're gonna stick it in here. Peel off the little sticky. And there we go. So Miss Yvette's order is ready to ship out. Alright, babies, this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was a short and, you know, nice, simple video. But I hope you guys enjoy. I will be doing, of course, more of these. So if you would like to if you would want a chance to get featured on my YouTube channel, go ahead and order. And I'll try to get to each and every one of you on YouTube videos because I know y'all love hearing your name on a YouTube video. So yeah, thank you so much, babies, for your support. If you want to shop my website, I will leave all my websites here. I have the clothing brand and the nail supplies. So thank you, babies, so much for your continuous support. I love each and every one of you. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so you can know when I post. And I'll see y'all till next time. Bye, babies.